subtract within 20. So we're gonna write our objective to subtract within 20. And what you really need to know is your basic numbers. So you need to know your numbers from 1 to 20. So you'll be able to identify the numbers when we put them up on the board. So we're going to learn two ways today. The first way we're going to learn is by counting objects, and then the second way we're going to learn is by simply taking away on our fingers. So the first way, counting objects. Let's say we had 15 minus 2, okay? So I will write down 15 squares. That's 5. 10. 15. Okay? So when I minus, that means I have to take those away from the original count that I had. So I'm going to take away 1, 2. So now I'm going to count what I have up here. And a shortcut way that you can do this is I place my numbers in sets of 5s, and if you know how to count by 5s, then you can count by 5. So I have 5, 10, and then I have 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 squares left after that. Okay? All right. Another way we will learn is by counting on our fingers. So we could do 10 minus 6. So I will put 10 fingers up, and then I will count backwards. So this is one of the skills you need to make sure you know how to do is to count backwards. So 10, then I have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So my answer is 4 if I count it on my fingers. Okay? We're going to erase this, and we're going to try 2 more problems. I'm going to practice one more, and then I'm going to give you a chance to practice, and then we'll check it. So let's do 12 minus 5. Okay? We're going to start out with the original number of 12 circles. 4, 8, 12. Okay, notice how I'm putting my numbers in sets of 4. Okay, that way it makes it even. So now I'm going to subtract, take it away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? All right, so now I'm going to count the remaining circles that are left over. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay? And then we're going to try this one with you. I want you to draw a picture and do this problem. 5. Okay, so your problem is 8 minus 5, and I want you to try with the pictures. I'll give you some time to work on it. Okay, now we're going to draw on the board. So we're going to start with, let's do triangles this time. So our original number is 8, and I'm going to box in the 5 because I'm taking this away. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to take away 5. That's why I put a square around it. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 3 remaining. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay. Now the last one we're going to do, I want you to try this one on your fingers. Okay? That way we've worked on both methods, and you can tell me which one you like, and you'll be able to use this one whenever you're working on these problems. Let's do 11 minus 3. Okay, so if you look at this problem, you'll notice that 11, you can't put 11 fingers on your hand. Okay, so one of the things I like to say is say the bigger number and count back 3, okay? So the way you do this is you say 11 and then you do 10, 9, 8. So your answer would be 8, okay? All right, now I want you to try one on your own, counting on your fingers. Let's do 12 minus 5. Okay, I'm gonna give you some time to do that one. Remember to use your fingers. Okay, now, so again, we don't have the number 12 on our fingers, we only have 10 fingers. So we have to count back. So we say 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So your answer is 7. I hope you learned how to subtract within 20 today. Bye-bye.